guys, we're doing our second reveal for July products. The new release will go live at 9 a.m. Central Time on July 1st. So I'm revealing what's in your box of the month. Yesterday I revealed and created a card using the junior box of the month. So we made this super cute card using the Tropical Dreams card fronts and the Tropical Junk Journal treasures. So if you missed that video, you could go back and get a nice peek at the beautiful card fronts and everything that's in the Junk Journal treasures. I also shared the 6x6 stamp set that is in your junior box of the month, and this is also in your box of the month. So it's super, super cute. We've got really cute sentiments. Let's flock together soon. Born to be wild and wonderful. Hello, thanks, and you make life colorful. And then you get this beautiful parakeet and a toucan and all these gorgeous tropical flowers and this really cool stamp here with the ring. The Birds in Paradise paper pad and coordinating ephemera pieces. Your free with 60 is this adorable keychain. So it's an adorable little flamingo keychain. It's metal. It's got a little heart dangle and then another dangle. Never forget how flamazing you are. And then some of the keychains come with a circle and some have this rectangle. They're just mixed in a pile for me to put into the packages once your order qualifies. When you hit $60 or more, you'll see this listing pop into your cart at zero cost. So that's while supplies last. You also do get a half pack of enamel dots in there, so you can use those on your cards. So the rest of the items that are in your box of the month, you're getting a sampler pack of those card fronts. So you get 6 sheets of card fronts. Your other stamp set is a 6x8 stamp set. This one's called Island Vibes. We've got Ohana Means Family. We've got Sending Sunshine and Smiles, Beautiful Native Flowers to Hawaii, Malaho for Being You, which means thank you. We've got Aloha, we've got Hawaii with that beautiful flower at the end, and another one with Aloha. We've got Aloha Friend, Happy Retirement, Hello, Warm Wishes, Aloha, and then we've got some solid stamps and some open face stamps so you could color. So it's a nice mix. And then this piece here is really cool because a lot of these sentiments will fit inside here and it just makes a beautiful focal point on your card. There's 2 little stamps here with dots that you can use to stamp around your images to kind of create maybe some splatter or some kind of background. We've got Chillin' in the Tropics and then the coordinating ephemera. So let's take a look at Chillin' in the Tropics.
Cut it, glue it, stamp it bright, crafting magic day and night. Not too shabby, that's the vibe. Paper dreams that come alive. Hey, hey, grab your paper pad, layer it up, it's gonna look rad. Trim it, tape it, don't you stop. We're crafty queens, we're over the top. Sparkle dots and ephemera too. Shabby's got the goods for you. From card fronts to dies with flair, your crafty mojo's always there. Hey, hey, grab your paper pad, layer it up, it's gonna look rad. Not too shabby, shout it loud. Crafting strong and crafty proud.
And now let's take a look at the coordinating ephemera. Super, super cute. I'll lay this all out for you.
Cut, glue, shine, it's crafting time. Pull out the pad, it's looking fine. Easy wonder, pass it once. Now I've got cards for days and months. No waste, no fuss, just joy that sticks. Pretty papers and clever tricks. Ephemera sweet and dots that gleam. This crafty life's my happy dream. Not too shabby, where the magic starts with sparkly dots and handmade hearts. Smashing pads and feeling bold with every From pink Halloween to cocoa cheer, there's crafty joy all through the year. Easy wonder makes it fast. One big smash and it's built to last. Matching sets, a dream come true. We make it easy just for you. Not too shabby, your paper place where every card puts a smile on your face. Die cut magic, zero stress, craft and happy. We say yes.
I'm going to use the sketch from the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers. So this is a sketch that they provided. So this is Sketch Challenge number 57. And you can find this at the byshcardmakers.blogspot.com.
Not too shabby, your paper place where every card puts a smile on your face. Die cut magic, zero stress, craft and happy. We say yes. Not too shabby, where the magic starts with sparkly dots and handmade hearts. Smashing pads and feeling bold with every layer, a story told. So cut, glue, shine, that's how we do. With stamps with love and a sticky glue. From sketch to card, from start to done. And not too shabby, we craft for fun.
Hey guys, why didn't I think of this before? Get out my handy dandy Pear Blossom Press T-square ruler. So this is in the shop right now, and I thought this was going to be so handy to get those perfect edges to line up on your card, and we can use it for stuff like this, right? So we could kind of make sure we're lining up everything correctly. So I'm going to start with the bottom.
Ideas, we've got the crew. Mood boards, kits, and lives for you. From pink Halloween to cocoa cheer, there's crafty joy all through the year. Easy wonder makes it fast. One big smash and it's built to last. Matching sets, a dream come true. We make it easy just for you. Not too shabby, your paper place where every card puts a smile on your face. Die cut magic, zero stress, craft and happy. We say yes.
I'm going to use a little stamp from here, Aloha. Okay, so we're going to put our penguin on an angle. We'll pop this one up. Like this is the foliage over top.
Cut, glue, shine, it's crafting time. Pull out the pad, it's looking fine. Easy wonder.
Let's stamp our sentiment first.
I've got cards for days and months. No waste, no fuss, just joy that sticks. Pretty papers and clever tricks. Ephemera sweet and dots that gleam. This crafty life's my happy dream. Not too shabby, where the magic starts.
This is from the Brewing It Up collection enamel dots. I think this red is pretty perfect, and so is that green. So let's see, I can choose red or green. Maybe green for some more contrast. I am very happy how this card turned out. So cute. What do you guys think? And here's another card using the same sketch, but using the other collection in your box of the month, Birds in Paradise. So I thought this one turned out super cute too. So do you have a favorite? Birds in Paradise or Chillin' in the Tropics? I think they're both cute. So meet me back tomorrow for another reveal. I'll be sharing the Paper Pad Club at 1 p.m. Central Time. I hope to see you then. Take care, guys, and have a fabulous day. Bye, guys.